Who's that? That's Bud. On his throne. Hi, Bud. Well, you know you're being filmed? Says, who's that? I see that lens over there. There's a dog in here. Here's Bud on his throne here. He loves it. He's one of our big guys over here. It's so cute, Bud. Okay, he's up for adoption. Yeah, I like that. My own dog can go in there. See.